Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to increase font on a Snapchat on iPhone. So if the text in a Snapchat looks too small and is difficult to read, then to increase font size on a Snapchat, you can add a control to increase font size in Control Center. Just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. After this, click on this plus icon to add a new control and then click on Add a Control. Now find the text size control and then click on it to add. After adding, press anywhere in the blank space. Now get back to home screen and open Snapchat on your device. Within this section, go anywhere and whenever you want to increase font size, just open Control Center and just swipe up on the text control to increase font size. So after increasing the font size, just close Control Center on your iPhone and you should notice that the text inside Snapchat appears larger and easier to read. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.